Using the Visual Basic Editor again, we're going to look just a little bit more detail at two of the windows that pop up. One is the Explorer window and the second is the Properties window. Now in the Explorer window, you can change the view of the objects within your Visual Basic from what they are at the moment, which is folder view, to non-folder view. If I click here, you'll see they just get listed as objects. So my class modules are here represented by that symbol, standard modules by that symbol. And then these are embedded class modules, effectively embedded into each of these objects. So it's embedded into a form called FRM increase prices, FRM item list, and form FRM new items. If we choose folder view, then they're grouped. So all the class objects are together, all the modules are together, and all the class modules are together. So these are class modules, but they're embedded. You cannot see them in the navigation pane in Access. They're effectively hooked in permanently to the form or the report that they belong to. Now the Properties window shows the properties for the selected object in the top. And what you'll notice is that on a standard module, there's very little as far as properties go. On a class module, there are 2 items. But when you choose one of the form or report class objects, so the embedded ones, you get much more properties, and these properties effectively are the properties of the form or report that these class objects are embedded in. And you'll find that they're the same properties that you can see or access from Access. Now using the Explorer, you can actually open this increase prices form by choosing View Object from here. And we're taken to that form in Design View in Access. And that way we can then see the properties here. View Code takes us back to Visual Basic Editor and shows us the code sheet for that form. So it's actually opened up the code sheet now on the right here in the code window, which we can do by double clicking. So if I double click FRM form list, that opens the code sheet as well. I can choose View Object to take me to that particular object in Access. And I can choose View Code to bring me back into the Visual Basic Editor with that code window open for that object. So the two work very easily together to allow you to move from the right piece of code to the right object in Access. So although you're effectively using 2 programs and 2 programs are open, the Visual Basic Editor and Microsoft Access, you can jump between them and they're linked. These items here are the embedded code sheets for those 3 objects, allowing you to jump from effectively this side to the Access side, or back from the Access side to the code side with one click.